if you haven't watched the review of this car, the 2015 Hyundai Sonata on our channel, just go and watch it now. So after buying this car between 15 and 18 million naira, what is the true cost of owning this car in Nigeria? What are the things that can go bad? What are the things you change? If anything happens, how much would you spend? So let's start from the grille. This grille is about 50,000 naira in the market. If anything happens to your grille, 50k. And this headlight is 200k, between 200 and 220k for the headlights. While this fog light is about 50k. This old bumper is about 100,000 naira. Now let's go to the side mirror. The side mirror is 50k each, so a pair is 100k. So this is 50k, that is 50k. The rear bumper, this old bumper, is about 100k. If anything goes bad, 100k. Then the engine, this engine, this is the 2.4 liter engine. This engine is about 2.2 million naira. If you have the 2 liter turbo, that one is about 3 million naira to replace. The AC compressor is about 120k. Alternator is about 45k, between 45k and 60k. If you are trying to maintain this car properly, you want to service it. So you service it every, let's say every 3 months or every 4,000 kilometers. So you spend about between 65k and 90k. It really depends on the quality of oil you are trying to buy. And remember, bad roads affect this car a lot. So the front shocks, a pair of front shocks, shock absorber on this car is about 85k. The linkage is about 15k. Brake pad, original brake pads, a pair of brake pads for the Sonata is about 25,000 naira. So if you need to change this to Android system, this infotainment, this small infotainment here to Android, you're going to spend about 150k. So if you need to change this, you're going to spend about 150k. And lastly, the fuel pump of this car is 80,000 naira. Let's say you're driving and your car is jerking or is doing hard starting, and maybe your fuel pump has gone bad. So yeah, 80k. So that is how much it costs to maintain this car. Let me know, is that expensive compared to other cars? You know, is that expensive? And remember, this is a sign for you to go and watch the full video of the Hyundai Sonata up on our YouTube channel now. Watch it, because this is the most affordable premium sedan you can buy right now. No jokes. My name is Crank and this is 234 Drive. Till next time, you're trying to buy this car, any other car, you need an advice, send us an email, cars@234drive.com, and we'll be happy to point you in the right direction.